In any climate control system, accurately measuring the temperature of the space is crucial to ensuring it performs well. Polar Bear designed thermostats, Zentium 2 and Ursium, each have an internal temperature sensor and inputs for additional sensors. This video introduces the WL4 wall-mounted air temperature sensor for use with them. Measuring the temperature in the room isn't just important, it's essential. But adding any sort of component to the wall of a room can be difficult to do in a non-intrusive way. We've made WL4 as small as possible to minimize its visual impact. When installed, the visible part, the cap, is only 12 mm in diameter. To further help it blend in, the caps, which are available in black or white, are made of a plastic that can be primed and painted. The flat surface of the cap even makes it possible for wallpaper to be applied. Some rooms, however, can stand the addition of a sensor, and so long as it looks the part, it's welcome on the wall. For those spaces, we offer metal caps, which can be finished in the same wide range of finishes as our faceplates, making them the perfect companions to the thermostats themselves. The task of safely installing a sensor and neatly finishing the wall around it can present a significant challenge. To give our installers the ideal conditions for a perfect technical deployment, and the project's builders, plasterers and decorators the best chance of an immaculate finish, we have developed the WL4 Fix Kit. The Fix Kit presents an innovative approach whereby the installer can use a standard, square, UK-style back box at the sensor's location to land its cable and securely make connections to the lightweight connecting lead for the sensor. The process starts by attaching a regular UK-style back box to a piece of stud-work. The cable that will run back to the thermostat is brought into the location and it's terminated to this fine connecting wire that comes as part of the kit. To put the assembly together, we thread this wire through the tube, which is itself connected to the mounting plate. We attach the mounting plate to the back box, screwing it in with the screws. Once the faceplate has been attached, we can connect the connecting lead to this orange stopper, again shipped with the installation kit. When it's made, we're now gently going to thread the wire back into the tube. Finally, we install the stopper into the tube. We can remove this little access screw. As we're finishing off this installation, we just adjust the threaded tube so that the outside face is roughly flush with where the outside face of the plasterboard is going to be. This little orange stopper contains a 3.3 kilo ohm resistor. And what that means is you can head along to the other end of the cable and use a multimeter to test it and ensure that that's the resistance you find. The next step is to apply the plasterboard over the top. You'll need to make a hole for the tube to come through. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit scruffy at this stage. The key point is that you can access the tube through here. And again, if you need to adjust the depth, you can do that by rotating the tube to adjust the surface in and out. Once the plasterboard is installed, the plaster is then free to skim, or if you'd rather just fill over the installation site here. Here we have a rough fill and then a nice smooth sanded finish down here. After sanding will come finishing. So whether this is painting or wallpapering, the decorator is free to come in and then roll straight over the site, ensuring they get a perfect texture, a perfect finish to the whole installation area. The last step of the installation is to use this small screw, again supplied with the installation kit. Screw that into the orange holder and then use it just like a corkscrew to extract the cable from the wall. At this point, we can detach the cable holder, substitute it for one of our temperature sensors, and there we go. And then once attached, we just insert the sensor back into the tube, adjust the cap so that the holes are at the top and the bottom, allowing the air to flow vertically. Your WL4 sensor installation is complete. The combination of WL4 and the Fix Kit offers a great way to provision a room with temperature sensors in the most discreet way possible. Although designed for use with Polar Bear Design's thermostats, The WL4 spec makes it suitable for use with other climate control systems too. You'll find more technical details on our website. Thanks for watching.